is the Wild Leeks. So I'm going to dig a few more up and save these for a nice dinner. There we go, and that is the perfect fiddlehead. So you can see there's a lot of fiddleheads here. You want this bright green color. Those are the perfect ones to cook up. These here, we had a snow the other night and they froze a little, so once they turn brown like this, they don't taste quite as crisp. They taste like a artichoke, spinach with a little bit of a nutty flavor. And so when you are harvesting these, you want to be sure that you're only taking a few from each bundle because you want the plant to survive and keep coming up for the next year. So make sure you're not taking too many from each root. This is the type of fern you do not want to pick the fiddlehead on. See how it's got the silky covering? This is not the right type of fern. Could be toxic if you eat too many of those. So you want to make sure you're getting the ostrich fern, and this is an example of the ostrich fern. And so you can see how it's got this brown covering to it. So this is the correct ostrich fern that you want to eat the fiddleheads from, and this is not the correct type of fern. So make sure you are only using the ostrich ferns. Tonight we're going to be cooking up those wild leeks and fiddleheads that we harvested. I decided to go with a maple soy glazed salmon dish. I'm going to serve it over a bed of sautéed fiddleheads with some baby portobello mushrooms, the wild leeks, and some peppers. I've had a campfire burning for quite some time now. I've got a nice hot bed of coals to cook over, so let's get to it. Okay, so we're going to marinate this for about 10 minutes before we put it over the fire. Wild leeks. Oh, these smell delicious. They are like a onion, garlicky smell. Very fragrant. Yellow pepper. And some red pepper. We're mincing up some garlic. Some parsley. We have the leeks. And there is our veggie sauté. The Fiddleheads, wild leeks, garlic, peppers, and baby portobellos. I'll put a little bit of salt in, a little bit of pepper, and a few Italian herbs. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Smells delicious. Dinner will be ready just in time for the sunset. Cooking dinner with Mama? Rocky's been a good boy. Yes, he is. That's my Rocky. Good boy. Cooper's all tuckered out for the day, huh? It's tough watching Mama cook. You're a good boy though, aren't you? Somebody's a good boy. Oh, it's somebody's sleepy. Look at you, got in the mud. And there we have it. Cooked to perfection. As you see, it is getting dark out, so I need to pack all this stuff up and get on home. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Is it bedtime, Cooper? You had a long day, huh?